Have you ever found yourself stuck in patterns of negative thinking, feeling trapped in old beliefs that no longer serve you? If so, you're not alone. Imagine this scenario. You wake up every morning feeling heavy and burdened by the weight of unwanted conditioning. You're constantly bombarded by negative thoughts, limiting beliefs, and self-doubt. It feels as if you're trapped in a never-ending cycle of negativity. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle? What if you could consciously detach from these subconscious beliefs and experience a profound shift in your consciousness? Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the powerful practices of detachment and conscious depolarization. We will uncover how these practices can help you release unwanted conditioning, operate from your ideal state of consciousness, and transform your life for the better. Before we dive deep into today's discussion, a small request: please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Let's first understand the concept of duality and poles. In various spiritual and philosophical teachings, it is believed that everything in the universe is dual and has poles. This means that every concept or phenomenon has two opposing aspects. Think of a coin, for example. It has a head side and a tail side, two distinct opposites, yet they are identical in nature. They are merely different in degree. Intentional depolarization is the process of consciously detaching from polarized thinking and beliefs. It involves recognizing and challenging the limitations imposed by rigid binary perspectives, and instead embracing a more holistic and integrated view of reality. By intentionally depolarizing, we can free ourselves from the constraints of limiting beliefs and conditioning, allowing for personal growth and expanded consciousness. Here are some practical tips on how to use intentional depolarization to detach from limiting beliefs. Awareness. The first step is to become aware of the polarized thinking patterns and beliefs that are holding you back. Pay attention to the binary judgments and rigid viewpoints that arise in your mind. Take note of the beliefs that are limiting your potential. It is also crucial to become aware of our subconscious beliefs, as they often contribute to undesirable fluctuations in our mental states. By using various techniques and methods, such as self-reflection, journaling, and meditation, we can uncover these hidden beliefs and release them from our subconscious. Questioning assumptions. Challenge the assumptions and beliefs that underlie your polarized thinking. Ask yourself why you hold these beliefs and whether they are based on actual evidence or personal conditioning. Be open to the possibility of alternative perspectives. Seek diverse perspectives. Engage in dialogue with others who have different viewpoints and beliefs. Listen with an open mind and consider the merits of their arguments. This will help you expand your understanding and challenge your own assumptions. Practice empathy. Cultivate empathy towards others who hold different beliefs. Put yourself in their shoes and try to understand their perspective without judgment. This can help you develop a more balanced and inclusive outlook. Embrace complexity. Recognize that reality is often multifaceted and complex, and that it rarely fits neatly into binary categories. Embrace the richness and diversity of experiences, and allow for nuance and shades of gray in your thinking. Mindfulness and self-reflection. Develop a regular mindfulness practice to observe your thoughts and emotions. This will help you recognize when you're engaging in polarized thinking and give you the space to choose a more balanced perspective. Engage in self-reflection to identify the underlying emotions and fears that drive your limiting beliefs. Cognitive reframing. Challenge your limiting beliefs by reframing them in a more empowering and expansive way. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations and focus on the possibilities and opportunities that exist beyond binary thinking. Take action. Detaching from limiting beliefs also requires action. Act in alignment with your desired state of consciousness, even if it feels uncomfortable or challenging at first. Gradually expose yourself to situations that challenge your beliefs and expand your comfort zone. Living in flow and allowing effortless change is a crucial aspect of detachment and conscious depolarization. When we flow with life, we surrender to the natural rhythm and accept the ever-changing nature of our experiences. In doing so, we let go of resistance and open ourselves up to the possibility of transformation. Did you know that how we imagine an experience to be actually changes the experience itself? Our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. Therefore, it is essential to be mindful of the mental states we cultivate. Our mental states are strongly influenced by our preferences and beliefs. By consciously choosing and cultivating our desired mental states, we can create a positive and empowering inner environment. Additionally, the power of imagination plays a significant role in our experiences. Research has shown that our imagination has the ability to shape our reality. By harnessing the creative power of our imagination, we can visualize and manifest our desired experiences. Beyond our physical bodies and beliefs lies the pure essence of our being, the I. This state of consciousness is blissfully depolarized, free from the limitations of body and mind. Exploring spiritual teachings and adopting practices such as meditation and mindfulness can help us connect with this higher state of awareness. So, friends, as we embark on the journey of conscious depolarization and detachment, it is essential to remain aware of our subconscious belief. These deeply ingrained beliefs can often sabotage our efforts to maintain our desired mental states. By consistently questioning and challenging these beliefs, we can prevent unwanted fluctuations and maintain alignment with our ideal state of consciousness. As we come to the end of this enlightening video on detachment and conscious depolarization, we sincerely hope that you have found valuable insights and tools to apply in your own life. By consciously detaching from unwanted beliefs and conditioning, you can experience a profound shift in your consciousness and live a more fulfilling life. If you enjoyed watching this video, we kindly ask you to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. We greatly value your thoughts and experiences, so please feel free to share them in the comments section below. We believe in the power of community and would love to hear from you. As you continue on your manifestation journey, we want to offer you our best wishes and blessings. May you attract all that you desire and manifest a life filled with abundance and joy. Remember that you have the power within you to create your reality, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embracing the incredible transformations that await you. Thank you for being a part of our community and for allowing us to be a part of your spiritual growth. Stay connected, stay inspired, and keep shining your light.